rising while the spring's still here. They don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer.
Emerson's been to the zoo before, but she was really little, and now she knows all the animals, so I think she's really going to enjoy it this time. So that's going to be really fun. We got up super early this morning and got out of the house by 7:45, which is kind of impressive for us. So we are planning on having a good day. It takes about, an hour and a half? About an hour and a half to drive there. So that's why we wanted to get an early start, and also it's scheduled to rain at like 1 o'clock this afternoon, so we wanted to get a couple hours in at the zoo before it started raining, but I think that'll be plenty of time for Emerson to see the zoo. I mean, that's kind of getting to be her nap time anyway, so I think it'll work out perfect. But anyways, yeah, we are headed to the zoo. That's going to be our day today, and then we have a special lunch spot that we're going to stop at. This is a place that we do not have in Charleston, but it is somewhere that I grew up eating. So I can't wait to share with you guys what that is, but also eat it because it's so dang good. This is our current situation. It is 8:41, so we have been in the car for like an hour now, and we're nowhere close to being there. We've been sitting in traffic for a while, and I drank a whole cup of coffee, so now I have to pee. I moved to the back seat because Emerson was starting to get a little bit fussy, which is understandable because they've been in the car for such a long time. But I gave her a book. You want a cracker? I gave her this book, and we've been reading it, but she does not do good with pop-ups because she just rips the pop-ups off. So this book has seen better days. What does a lion say? What is this? What is it? No, baby, you're not supposed to rip them off. Emerson, do you see the monkeys? Those are real monkeys. What does a monkey say? Good job. What is that, baby?
Are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you.
Leo, baby. Whoa.
Come here. You want to sit on it? Look, look, look. Hey, look, look. You're fine. Hey, look, it's not even real. You want to sit on it? Yeah, try it.
It's fine, huh?
Emerson, try it, sweetie.
Give it one more.
Is that it?
I don't think he likes the cake. Good job!
Whoa.
Did she actually feed it?
Yeah.
You want to do it again? You're so good at that, honey.
You want to do it again?
Oh, it's starting to rain. Ew. So we are done with the zoo. We had a great time, but I think it is safe to say that we are all beat and exhausted and ready for some food. Emerson was like, she was kind of interested in the animals, but her attention span is so little that she would look at the animals and then was more interested in running around and having us chase her everywhere. So that's why we were exhausted. At one point I had to sit down and rest a little bit because my back was starting to hurt because I got a baby in my belly. But it was a fun trip. I'm glad we went. Got some good footage and some good memories. So it was really fun. And now we are off to eat the best burritos this side of the country. So let's go. Oh yeah, baby, we made it. This place seriously has the best burritos. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I ate one burrito in the restaurant and I got 4 to take home. And we kind of raided the sauce station because they have the best sauces. Seriously, way better than Taco Bell. This one is the hot. Oh, so good. So we stole a couple of those. No shame. She fell asleep like 15 minutes before we got home. So hopefully I can lay her down and she'll take a nap. So maybe we all can get some rest. So we got back from our trip and I laid Emerson down in her crib and sure enough, she did not fall asleep. She played for a little bit and then she just whined and wanted out. So Andrew had been planning on going over to his dad's this afternoon to work on a little project. So him and Emerson went on over there and I stayed back here behind to get a little bit of work done. I know I'm in bed, but I am actually getting work done. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a little bit of work done. I did lay down for like a few minutes, but got things to do. I feel like I have to have absolutely nothing on my mind in order for me to take a nap during the day, which, let's be honest, never happens as number 1, a mom, number 2, a woman. But I remember in college I'd be so tired because I probably stayed up too late working on something I procrastinated on and then had to get up early for class. So I'd be so tired come the middle of the day, but I knew I had homework to do and that was like on my mind, so I would lay down to try and take a nap and I just couldn't relax enough to fall asleep. I had some friends who were like, that's how I cope with stress, is I take a nap and I can just forget about it for a little while. And I'm like, how do you do that? I want to do that. So that's kind of how I am right now. It's like I know I have things that I need to work on, so I can't relax enough to take a nap. Dang it. Oh well. Not the worst thing that could happen. I'll sleep tonight.
so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Are you being dramatic because you're really tired? Come on over here, let Mama put your jammies on. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, baby. Come here, let me put your jammies on. Alright guys, we are going to wrap up our day here. Emerson has her milk and she's watching her nightly Mickey Mouse. So we're gonna put her to bed and then probably have a pretty early night ourselves. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys are liking the vlog. I'm really enjoying doing them and I'd like to keep doing more. But let me know if you like them, if you don't. Either way. Oh, you stopped it.
Here it is.
Yeah, let us know if you like the vlogs or not. So I know if I should keep doing them or not. But thank you guys for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you have not already so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. I think that I am going to do videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And if not exactly Monday, Wednesday, Friday, at least 3 videos a week. I'm shooting for that. So hopefully I can keep it up, and I hope you guys like that. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.